Hi, for video part 3 we want to observe what happened to the auto reset and what is the meaning of auto reset compared to the manual reset. So if we are looking here, we have counter 010 and we want to count it for 2 times, and we also have the completion flag C010. So this one same counter address, so it means that this is the auto reset condition. So if we have counter 010, we want to count it 2 times, so completion flag will be display 2 BCD followed by 1 BCD followed by 0 BCD. So according to the motion sequence diagram, we have A set as count input, while C010 completion flag as reset input, reset count. So what happened to this system, if we press A for the first incoming signal, counter PV010 will reduce from 2 BCD to 1 BCD, and after that, if it receive another signal input, it will change from 1 BCD to 0 BCD. The completion flag C010 will only activated after it count 2 inputs. So as the result, counter C010 will be active high and lamp 6 will turn on. It will remain energized until we press the reset button. So what is the meaning of auto reset? So for this condition, if the counter PV receive 2 signal, it will auto reset. So C010 only will be activated for 1 cycle condition to trigger cycle condition to reset the counter C010, and as a result, it will activate the lamp 6 until we press the reset button. Okay, let's observe the simulation here. So triggered your work online simulator. They are 0 error, 0 warning. And then the first one, if we triggered A set, so if we triggered once, counter PV from 2 BCD will count down to 1 BCD. So next, if we triggered next signal, so it will become 2 BCD. So currently completion flag is activated and it will reset the counter PV, and on the other hand, it will trigger the L6. L6 will remain energized until we press the reset button. So refer to here, if we press the reset button, L6 will turn off. So next, if we triggered once again, counter PV drop to 1. Second incoming input, it will become 2 BCD. Means that this one is currently reset to the currently counter 010 had been reset its own memory. Okay, for the manual reset using reset button, this had been elaborated in the video part 2, so you may refer to that video for brief explanation. So for manual reset, based on this timing diagram, the first one we want to reset B signal. So counter PV will show set value 5, and then first incoming input, it will count down, so it will show 4 BCD. Second incoming input, it will show 3 BCD, and if we press the reset button, second reset button, it will show set value 5 BCD, and we press the incoming input simultaneously with the reset push button, it will remain show 5 BCD. So let's move to the simulation part. So for the first one, we want to trigger the reset button. So trigger the reset button, so counter PV will be reset and it will show 5 BCD. And then we want to control first incoming input, so counter PV will start to count down and show 4 BCD. Second incoming input, it will -2, so it will show 3 BCD. So what happened if we press the reset button simultaneously with the incoming input? So it remain show 5 BCD. Next, if we release the reset button and activate incoming input number 4, so counter PV will show 4 BCD. If we continue to signal number 5, 6, 7 and 8, so this one will become 3, 2, 1. So reset, it will reset the memory. So if I press it here, so counter PV remain to 5 BCD number. The difference between manual reset and auto reset is the reset count. Reset count. For manual reset, they will use reset button, while for auto reset, it will use counter completion flag.